In this video, we're testing 5 different bottled lime juices to find out which one makes the best cocktail. At the end of the video, I'm going to do a blind taste test to see if I can tell the difference between the best bottled lime juice and fresh lime juice. For the test, we're going to be making a gimlet. It's a very simple 3-ingredient drink, and here's what you will need. London Dry Gin. This is by Beefeater, and we choose this one because it's 40% ABV, which means it's a little bit less calories than something like Hendrick's or Tanqueray. You'll need lime juice. It's probably best if you use a fresh lime and juice it, but the point of the video is to see which of the bottled lime juices are good, so, you know. And finally, you're going to need sugar-free simple syrup. Now, I had a question about this in a recent video. Sugar-free means it's sweetened with sucralose, which is 600 times sweeter than real sugar, meaning they can make a 0-calorie syrup and still call it simple syrup. Let's make a low-calorie gimlet. You'll need 2 ounces of London Dry Gin, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and 3/4 an ounce sugar-free simple syrup. Poof, I have a coupe now. Add ice to your shaker, and shake for 10 seconds. While I'm doing that, maybe you can like the video. I felt it move, okay? I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad, okay? And then you want to double strain to make sure all of the ice chips are out. You want to do a little swirl action, just to make sure all the stuff goes through. Also, since we did fresh lime juice in here, it's really good to double strain it so you get the pulpy bits.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it smells very fresh, very real. My wife is going to be giving tasting notes, so here you go.
Okay, very gray. Doesn't look like a lime at all.
Yeah, we actually lied. That lime juice didn't go into it.
It's very limey. I really like the way that it smells so far. So you can smell the alcohol, but I think that's to be expected at this point now.
That's the least tart reaction I've seen her show in a while.
Yeah, this was not tart at all, actually. I thought this was very pleasant. It tastes like a limeade to me.
Yeah.
I really enjoy it
good.
a lot. This is probably one of my next top ones that
Really?
I enjoy. I would give this honestly 10. This
What?
is very good.
That is an unexpected result from this, so we'll see. So that's actually good because that's our control variable, which means we're trying to see which one of these can get closest to a 10, right? So
Yeah.
we're going to be rating each one 1 out of 10. I will be back in a moment. Shablam. She's gonna turn around so that she can't see what I'm doing, and I'm building the next drink.
Well, I thought you were doing the blind taste test.
I don't want the branding to affect your decision, though.
Oh.
So I don't want you to know what's in it.
And while I wait for him to make his drinks, I do a little crochet, making a little drawstring bag. Ta-da.
Isn't she fire, guys? To keep consistency, I am going to fine strain all of them, so none of them will have ice. So I'm not going to tell her which ones are which until the end, and then we'll definitively know which of the bottled lime juices taste the best. So for now, she doesn't know what they are, and then it will be revealed to her, and then I'll do the blind tasting at the end. Okay. All right, number 1, tasting notes.
It smells like an orange.
Okay.
But it still has that, like, Sharpie quality again.
That we noticed in the last test. It's definitely like some preservatives or whatever they put in it.
Maybe.
Okay.
Going in for the taste.
No, she shuddered, so...
This one, it's more bitter. More sour, I guess. It's definitely more tart than the original. The real lime juice tastes like a smooth limeade. Maybe it's better for the tart lovers, but to me, it doesn't give the same limeade essence, so I will rank this one 7.
7 out of 10? So it's good.
It's good.
But it's not like great or anything.
No, not as great as the original.
All right, good to know. Wife is shutting her eyes while I make the next one.
Number 2. Does that look like a 2, guys? From smell. It's smelling a bit skunky to me.
Does it taste skunky, though?
We'll see.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Terrible.
Oh, no.
This was so bad, it tastes like skunk.
Well, that one's not going to win, so I'm going to try it. Yeah, I don't know if this one's fit for human consumption.
Oh my god.
That's rough. That's actually one that I've seen people recommend before.
It was not good.
Skunky, tastes a little bit dangerous. What are you rating it?
It kind of reminds me of like Lemon Pledge, but if you also like threw a skunk in there.
The aftertaste is really bad, and I can like feel it in my chest, and I don't want it to be there.
It creates a more bitter flavor. As opposed to being tart, it turns
Yes.
bitter like if you were eating the rind of a lemon.
Right.
0 out of 10. Hopeless.
Right.
I couldn't drink that. I would not drink that again, ever.
Okay. That's super interesting to me because it is so bad. I would take the 2 seconds it took to squeeze it than that bottle. All right, moving on to number 3. She's hiding her eyes, so she doesn't know what it is. Since my writing was bad, I've gone to music notation now.
This looks like pause.
Leave me alone.
This one also smells like lime Sharpie. Scented marker, imagine lime green look and also lime green smell. It's not as bitter, but it still has the same skunk flavor. Not as bad as the second one that we just tasted. I'll have to give it like a 4. It's not good though.
So I remember like we were saying 4 was like below average. So is it like just below average or is it like bad?
It's bad.
We went in and revised and we're going to actually say that's a 3 because she was saying it was pretty bad. And I view 4 as just below average, you know? So hiding her eyes. I like how this one pours.
Guys, does this look like the Roman numerical for 4?
Yes. I know what it looks like.
No, it doesn't. This one is not strong smell-wise. So, it gives me a little bit of hope.
Okay.
This one is more enjoyable. It's still not as good as the original. It passes the smell test for me and the taste test.
Do you notice anything off about it?
It has a little bit more of a bitter twinge.
Instead of tart.
Yeah. It's still tart, but it's not as bad. It's closer to the original limeade quality. It's not the worst of them. I would say it's probably the best of the ones that we've had so far.
Okay.
This is probably the closest you're getting to real squeezed lime juice from the ones that we've used.
Mm-hmm.
So, I think that's 7.
Okay, that brings us to her final one. She's hiding her eyes for one last time.
Guys, does this look like a 5 or just like a Cyclops smiling? This one also smells like orange juice.
I'd rather it smell like orange juice than skunk, though. Oh, she went...
I like this one, surprisingly.
Mm-hmm.
It has a little bit of an acrid flavor. The ones that I put like a 7, this is definitely better. I would give this one an 8.
Okay, we found our winner. Should we do the reveal of which one's first, or should I do the blind tasting? Alright, I'm testing all of them for some reason.
Just a little sip.
This one's got some of that orange that you were explaining. It didn't taste like lime either. And I get more of that bitter kind of thing. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. This one's pretty good. I smell more alcohol in it, but it tastes really neutral. If I had to... Right now, I'm going to put ones that I think are contenders to the side.
There you go. Here you go.
This?
Yes.
Okay. I can hear her smiling. This one smells like nothing. It smells more like just ethanol. I don't even think like gin. But it's pretty neutral in flavor. It doesn't have like that strange stuff going on, so this might be a contender. Is this next?
Yes.
Nope.
Just taste it. Just taste it. That's not the sink. Taste it. Put it down on the counter. Turn around. Turn around.
This one smells like Sharpie, dude.
Turn it.
This is also 100% a bottle. It has like that sulfite smell that we were describing. That is just sad. If you're drinking that, I don't like you.
Oh.
Is this the last one?
Yes.
Orange. Nope. Okay, which one of these two do I think are the real? This one is quite neutral, but in like a good way. I think it's definitely drinkable for sure. And mind you, these are all getting pretty warm, so I think this one's the real one. No?
No.
Is it that one?
No.
Damn. I got rid of a good one. So which one did I vote was my favorite? Number 4. Number 4, you gave a 7. So which one's the... This is one that I didn't like. I wish I knew what it was like when it was colder. This one had the most neutral flavor to me. Number 5, Santa Cruz. Yeah, this will be like high and then it'll go low. Number 4, which you gave a little bit of a bump to than the first one. Number 4, it's from Italy, so I'm trying my best. Ingrilli, something like that. I loved how that one poured. I loved it. Okay, number 1 was Nelly and Joe's. I remember really hating the lemon juice version of this, so that's quite interesting. Next down the line was number 3, was Real Lime. That one got a strong 4 out of 10. And the worst one, by far, getting a strong 0, was Master of Mix's Lime Juice. A YouTuber that I love dearly, Steve the Barman, he always recommends this one.
Maybe it's just made different here.
Maybe it is. I don't know. I don't know what to make of that.
Santa Cruz's is very good.
Santa Cruz is really good. I found it in multiple grocery stores. I found it in Walmart and Market Basket. That's a New England brand. So if you were in a pinch, I actually think this one's pretty solid. I do want to test them back to back right now. Now, there's a bit of a funkiness there, but they're also getting pretty warm, so.
Real is always going to win for me. I have yet to find one who has beat real lime juice.
So Super Juice is super useful because it makes the juice last way longer, and really you're making your own lime juice the same way one of these would, but without any preservatives. So you're taking the peels of the lime and citric acid and sugar and water, and you're basically making your own like pseudo citrus juice. So I super recommend that one because out of 3 limes, you can get 12 ounces instead of like 3 ounces. So you're quadrupling your output, which is really useful. But if you had to use one for a party or something, I think Santa Cruz is a pretty good option. If you got value out of this video, please leave a like. If you want to use this lime juice in another cocktail, I recommend the Mojito, which is on our channel here, which is also super low calorie. And as always, salud.
Salud.